Take full control over your crypto with one sleek, all-in-one wallet. Manage coins, NFTs, staking, and DeFi, all from one app. Please do remember, folks, to always do your own research before investing in any crypto projects we talk about on the channel, because we are not financial advisors and this video is not financial advice. If you would like any of the links from the projects we talk about in these videos, then they will be at the very top of the description of the video, plus in the pinned comments. Let's get into it. The project that we are talking in today's video about, guys, is Exodus, a Bitcoin and crypto wallet with some awesome key features. What's really great about Exodus, guys, straight off the bat, is the fact that they actually support 300 plus different cryptocurrencies across all of the major blockchains. On top of that, folks, they enable seamless swaps, and actually they build in an exchange where you don't have to actually leave the app to do that exchange, which is really effective. So you don't have to be navigating through different apps to do this. Very, very nice. Essentially, folks, with billions of USD swap volume processed globally, they deliver unmatched reliability in that sense. And guys, the rates actually start from as low as 0.5%, which is extremely cheap for a swap of this kind of magnitude on Exodus. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito here on Google Chrome to ensure there is no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is in English and that the location is set to the United States. Once United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and go for our first search and type in BotSol. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video right here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker was able to get to the top of the search engine. Right there, boom, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Leads Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products, this video here, and also again, BizCheck, BotSol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get ytranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. What's also absolutely fantastic is the simple fact that in terms of your actual portfolio and the features that come with that, they include real-time charts and value breakdown to essentially help you make better decisions about when to buy, sell, or hold in these crypto markets, which are, at the best of times, as we know, extremely volatile. What's great, guys, is that you've got your 12-word seed phrase, guys, your non-custodial wallet, which is super, super helpful. It's got everything, guys, your password protection, the actual biometrics, which is basically your basic face ID and your actual touch ID as well. And what's really great, and it's optional, is that you can actually incorporate and connect your Trezor hardware wallet to the actual cold storage as well, with this really great, seamless user interface that you can see right here. And this right here is one of my favorite features, guys, the only Web3 wallet you'll ever need. So it does have that actual support there for NFTs and staking, whether you're getting involved in NFTs, DeFi. As you can see here, it's really, really cool that it's actually got that. And yeah, guys, you got the full support for the marketplaces of Solana, for Magic Eden, guys, which is really, really cool as well. On top of that, folks, you can actually go ahead and stake your major assets like ADA, Sol, Atom, and Algo directly in the app, guys, for passive rewards. So you're not, again, even having to leave to use another service, which is really cool. Now, I really just love the attention to detail and that customer experience. Exodus make it extremely easy to actually go ahead with its actual cross-platform and Web3 integrations as well. Guys, they're available everywhere, whether you're using your mobile, your iPhone, just like an example here, whether you're on your desktop, iPad, anything like that. It's very easy, all right? There's no issues in terms of being able to use it. Exodus has been built seamlessly, so you can use it on an iPad, you can use it on an iPhone or Android, your desktop, laptop, it doesn't matter. So that's absolutely fantastic. It also actually supports Wallet Connect across the different platforms as well, guys, for ETH, BSC, Polygon, and Avalanche as well, which essentially enables that DApp, that decentralized application access as well. And here's just another look at the actual staking section specifically, which is an area that I will definitely be checking out. Stake crypto with a tap on mobile, desktop, and browser extensions. As we were just saying before, guys, with your staking and everything, whatever you're doing, again, download for desktop, for mobile, or an extension for maybe it's going to be like a tablet or something like that. Really, really good. And this is an example here, guys. Easily go ahead and stake. We've got a 3.8% APY it's showing for Matic here, which is pretty cool as well. And it's giving you some examples of just how seamless it actually looks when you do go ahead and do it, guys. And really just to follow on from that, what I think is really cool, guys, is they actually got an in-app fiat on-ramp where you can actually use MoonPay, Ramp, and actually help transaction export for your tax reporting purposes, which is extremely good when it comes to tax time. All right, folks, so that is all for today's video talking about Exodus, the all-in-one Bitcoin and crypto wallet that supports DeFi, NFTs, all of Web3. It's got the fiat on-ramp and off-ramp. It's got staking. It's got everything that you basically need all in one platform, non-custodial wallet. You can connect your Trezor, you can connect your Ledger, do all that fancy stuff, guys. Wow, crypto really has come a long, long way since I got into it in around 2017, and I'm here for it. Okay, this is a pretty interesting project, guys. Exodus here. Any of the links for Exodus, guys, after doing your own research, of course, will be at the very top of the description of this video for you to go ahead and check out, as well as in the top of the pinned comments of this video. Really enjoyed talking about this one to you guys. Hope you have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care now, and make sure you like if you like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. Thanks, guys.